not ready to teammates. Ego challenge. This is my bounty.
When I get to the building,
Road.
you left rather than being in the open. Getting white, down again, and again, down.
Okay.
Let's go. You leaving me?
I thought you had a car. You had a car, no?
Oh.
Alright, they just got out in the car next to me. Shit. Okay, I'll play slow. Oh, they got in a little car.
Chase him down, boy.
I am, but I don't know where he is though, because bounty takes for ages. Okay, he got out on me. No, he didn't.
He's still going.
I see him. Went left towards bank. They got in a big truck.
Might be going to the bike.
Probably run me over. Yeah, he's chasing now. He's now chasing me. Now I'm chasing him. You got out? Why would you do that, kid? Why would he do that, man? Okay.
Slick.
Should I go towards Hydro?
Can do.
She was a...
Check this bike. Check this
Yeah.
bike. Team on it, team on it. Team
Okay,
on it.
okay. I'm not gonna get out. I'm just going around and see what's going on.
Right, same.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, I'm getting circled. Game over, allow me.
Bro, where is he?
I killed him.
Oh.
How are we like fast and furious over here? You haven't recharged your car as well, Brad. We'll refuel at the same time as well. I bet this looks beastly on the mini map. Hello. Team rocking up! Team rocking up on you! On your right! And rest of the pie! No!
I'm gonna make you think I'm gone. There's two teams.
You ran one over? No, don't get out! I'm gonna get my car and come over. Oh my god!
Get shit on. Been shot at.
Oh, this bike's got nothing on it. Decent. Let's go find people.
I've still got this guy's bag on the roof.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Let me go.
Okay, let's go to these guys close. How do you want to play this?
Let's just go and then play it.
Fuck's sake, alright.
Oh yeah, stairs are on my side. Come on.
Down one. Oh, I got precision from. I don't get no E. My guy might be selfing.
Okay. I've dead to fucking bouncing Betty's, bro. This one's selfing now. Suck a dick, bitch.
That's hilarious.
Random
How are
bomb,
we?
bro.
How are we alive?
Stay still. Go.
Oh my god.
Boy.
Oh my god. Is that? No, it hasn't worked. Oh, it has.
Oh.
It's just delayed.
Go, go, go.
I'll do a quick lap until it
That's
bursts.
so overpowered.
That's mental. Oh, me!
There's a guy on you.
Oh no!
Yeah, go in.
Oh my god, my car's. Oh, movement disabled. No. Oh, am I right? Keep driving. Broken there. Very weak. Very weak. Like actual bullet on the left.
Jump out the back. Guy can never see it. What a dickhead. Oh shit.
Another team? On the hill?
Yeah, shot from the, yeah, coming over.
Oh, I better fucking airstrike it. Oh my god, mate, this is outrageous.
I broke one.
Get self.
I got a self. We're getting fucking plunged up here. bastard.
I'm going to go to the building on the left.
Oh no, I'm nice.
Jump out, jump out. Oh, I'm in my building?
Yeah, above you here. There's a light ping. Oh, fucked it, never mind.
Wipe? What? Okay, still in the building. There, left.
Bottom left. Absolutely.
Down.
In my car. Down.
Another one.
Last one's coming out now.
Weak. That's fine. Let him. I just need to reload. Gone far left on the bridge.
Dead.
Died.
Team wiped, apparently. Shouldn't have
Yeah.
wasted precision, but I only got it in, so far.
There's a precision on that buy. Wow, as if we're still alive.
Yeah.
He's dead.
Yeah,
Another
there's
team.
more on the right. Yeah, they're in the hut at the back.
Where the
Three
buy
of
is.
them. Yeah.
Okay, get out then.
One's going up the ladder.
I can't see him. I ain't
two
got.
in there.
Okay, I'm mounted on the physical on the ladder. Have you got any precision or anything?
Oh, so I was going to go to the bike.
That'll be a problem. Hang on. I might have a play here.
Oh, hello.
I might have a play. Oh no, I haven't got a play. Oh shit, they're close to me. Oh, blue plates should be fine. Guy sniping in the top tower. I can't fight that yet. Hang on. Hang on.
We can take our time. We don't have we don't have gas on our asses yet.
You down one?
The sniper that was inside, yeah, he made me an absolute bullet, and I just fucking tanked it.
Down the sniper up top. Push the last one.
Yeah.
Could have self though. All dead. The guy was looking at the tower. I'm now gonna go to this building where they just jumped out of. See if I can get one. Down.
Down.
I'll get the full. Oh, behind
Through
me!
the wall.
Chasing me. Broke him. Down. Last one.
Yeah, last one's broke inside the house.
Play safe, play safe, play safe. Good shit, Brad. Nice. He's bottom. Come on.
If we can. You got him, yeah?
Go on top. Hit him. Nice. Great
Oh
stuff
shit,
from you.
another team.
Where?
The building we first went to.
I'm down. Oh, self though.
I'm trying to make sure you can get up. Are you up, yeah? Good shit.
Yep. Oh,
Oh, you fucker.
I think there's another team. Sorry, dude.
No, I just jumped in front of you to make sure you could get up. Please buy me in when you can. Oh, there's no buys. No. Good rat. Do it wider.
I want to keep the gassy for endgame.
Spare plates there if you need some. That was. Nice. You ain't got long on this gassy. You should check his bag for shit. You're fucked on the cross of the road here.
Bombs.
Broken window on your left.
Bombs, two bombs. Up the shite.
Wasn't a white there, was it?
No.
On you.
Up the shotty. I'm safe here. Oh, hello.
One's resin.
Right. Oh, that's so annoying I'm not dead. They're the three.
You're gonna be pushing this, so just be careful. What a dive! Oh, the bridge is all yours, mate. Oh, you could have beamed them. They're the last team.
They're not.
Yeah, they are.
And they're not.
Okay, there's a 2 and a 1. Yeah. Oh, sport lad. You got stimmies.
I know. Oh no. Let's go, baby! Talk to me! Talk to me!
Wait, that shotty